Welcome to the new era of work. Remote work has become a defining feature of modern business, offering flexibility and freedom. But how do you ensure that this flexibility doesn't come at the cost of productivity? Today, we'll explore how you can measure and maximize productivity using powerful SaaS tools like Slack, Zoom, and Google Docs. By using these tools, you can effectively navigate the complexities of remote team management. The remote work revolution has transformed how we operate, allowing businesses to stay agile and adaptive. SaaS tools have become essential in this transformation, providing the infrastructure needed for effective remote collaboration. With the evolution from traditional office settings to remote and hybrid models, businesses can enjoy benefits like cost savings, increased flexibility, and access to a broader talent pool. However, these advantages come with their own set of challenges, such as collaboration barriers when team members are not physically present, or issue of performance monitoring of remote employees that need to be managed effectively. To ensure your remote team is productive, it's crucial to measure what matters. Key metrics to track include attendance in Zoom meetings, output in Google Docs, and engagement in Slack. These metrics provide a comprehensive view of your team's performance and help identify areas for improvement. Attendance in Zoom meetings can highlight engagement levels and help identify patterns of participation. Tracking document output in Google Docs allows you to monitor productivity and collaboration efficiency. Engagement in Slack provides insights into communication effectiveness and team dynamics. Together, these tools offer a powerful suite for managing remote work effectively. Slack's activity logs can help you understand how your team communicates and collaborates, identifying any gaps or inefficiencies. Zoom's meeting analytics offer insights into participation and engagement, helping you optimize meeting structures. Google Docs version histories track document contributions and progress, ensuring transparency and accountability. Let's look at some real-world examples. Companies across various industries have leveraged Slack, Zoom, and Google Docs to measure and enhance remote work productivity. For instance, Shopify saw a significant increase in project completion rates by optimizing Slack communication and tracking document output in Google Docs. Similarly, Deloitte reduced meeting times by 25% with Zoom, improving overall productivity. These companies use data-driven approaches to identify bottlenecks and implement solutions, leading to significant productivity gains. By closely monitoring and analyzing their remote work metrics, they were able to make informed decisions that drove their success. Building a data-driven remote culture is essential for continuous improvement. Start by setting clear goals and tracking relevant metrics. Use insights from Slack, Zoom, and Google Docs to analyze team performance and make informed decisions that foster collaboration and drive productivity. Set specific, measurable goals for your remote team, such as reducing meeting times or increasing document output. Collect and analyze data to understand how well your team is meeting these goals. Use this information to make adjustments and continuously improve your remote work processes. Implement best practices to ensure your remote team remains productive. Organize Slack channels to streamline communication, conduct time-efficient Zoom meetings to maximize engagement, and use Google Docs for collaborative project management. These strategies will help you make the most of your remote work setup. Maximizing the ROI of remote work is essential for sustaining its benefits. By understanding and tracking key productivity metrics, using SaaS tools effectively, and fostering a data-driven culture, you can ensure that your remote work investment yields significant returns for your business. If you found this guide helpful, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more insights on maximizing productivity with SaaS tools.